So, hi guys, it's me again, Engineer Jules. For today's video, I'm gonna share and guide you on how to lay over to Malaysia when you are a tourist in Singapore. I have here my script para tuloy-tuloy yung video and detailed yung maibigay kong guidelines sa inyo. So, of course, to make this video happen, special thanks muna tayo sa wifey ko, si Lassie, for providing all the allowances, expenses na ginamit ko sa travel ko sa Singapore. Okay guys, let's start. Again, this video is a guide on how to lay over to Malaysia if you are a tourist in Singapore. You can do it in just a matter of day. Kaya mong matravel yung Singapore to Malaysia. So, this is the guide. I suggest guys na early in the morning kayo mag-set ng call time para magawa nyo tong balikan na Singapore to Malaysia and then Malaysia to Singapore. First thing you need to do is hanapin mo muna yung pinakamalapit na MRT sa lugar mo and then go to the Kranji MRT station. Kranji MRT station is also the bus station kung saan ka sasakay papuntang Woodlands Immigration. Yun yung immigration ni Singapore papuntang Malaysia. So, yun yung unang immigration na madadaanan mo. Bali, dalawa sila. The Woodlands and the JB Malaysia Immigration. No worries kay Woodlands Immigration kasi automated immigration clearance siya. So, you just need to provide your passport and then thumb mark scanning, then you're good to go. Tapos, after the Woodlands Immigration, sakay ka ulit ng bus, which is nasa baba lang din yun. So, ride a bus going to the Malaysia Immigration or Johor Bahru Immigration. Hindi siya automated kaya you need to undergo Q&A portion with the Malaysian Immigration Officer. Pero bago yun, you need to apply first for the Malaysian Digital Arrival Card, MDAC. Isa din siya sa hihingin sa'yo ng Immigration Officer kaya i-fill up mo na as early para at least hindi ka na dun sa pila ma-interrupt. After ng MDAC, pila na ulit kayo dun sa Immigration Officer. Take note, pili kayo ng kampante kayong muka na Immigration Officer kasi medyo stricto yung iba. So, ang hihingin lang naman nila sa inyo is yun nga, yung MDAC, yung finilapan nyo na arrival card, Malaysian Digital Arrival Card, and then the passport, tapos yung returning ticket. Kasi as a tourist, syempre you have your returning ticket pabalik kung saan ka man galing na bansa. So yun lang guys, yung tatlong requirements ni Malaysian Immigration Officer para makalampas ka sa kanila. And then, pwede mo nang explore si Malaysia. Yun, Johor Bahru Malaysia, JB Malaysia. Grab na lang kasi medyo mura din. Mas mura compare kay SG. Mas mura ang Grab nila, tsaka taxi. Siguro ang Malaysia is times 10 cheaper than the price of Singaporean taxis or Grab. Yun. So, that's all guys. That's the requirements and the process para makapag-lay over sa Malaysia kung ikaw ay tourist ni Singapore. So, yung pabalik is just a reverse process. Pinagkaiba lang is you need to apply again for the Singaporean arrival card, which is from Malaysia to Singapore. Tapos, take note guys, please, pakitandaan po nung bus na sasakyan nyo kasi yun yung kailangan din para sa SG arrival card. Bus number. Yes, I think it's 107 and 107A or X. Basta dalawang bus lang yun, yung from Malaysia to Singapore Immigration. yun lang guys for today's video. Thanks for watching.